Hi friends, good morning. We are starting with a very important thing. Basically, the comments given by examiners where students went wrong. So now let's go to paper November 2019 of Indirect Tax CA finals. In this question, basically what has happened, student went for section 20 of customs. What was section 20 of customs? Section 20 of customs says that the boss, if you have imported some goods and then re-exported for suppose repairs and then re-imported it, you will get a concessional benefit. You will get a concessional benefit only when you satisfy this three conditions. That means time of reimportation is 3 years, and most important is the exported goods and the imported goods, the re-imported goods must be same, and the ownership of the goods should have not changed. If these three conditions were satisfied, then you would have got the benefit of section 20. But students tend to ignore the second point. Students have tend to ignore the second points of re-import of the same goods. In this question, what happened that I have exported the goods for repairs, but meanwhile my work was getting hampered, so I've requested a person to give me some other machine as replacement. Am I getting the same machine? No, I am not getting the same machine. So here you will not get the benefit of section 20. Here you'll have to pay full tax on the replaced machine, but students have ignored this point, and this has been clearly given by examiners that most of the examinees were ignoring that the special provisions relating to payment of concessional duty in case of re-importation of goods exported for repairs were not applicable in the case that the goods were exported for repairs and the re-imported goods were not same. Therefore, full custom duty was payable on the machine received as replacement. Am I clear? So please do keep this point in mind, and please you just keep on viewing this. We are coming with daily bites for you people. Thank you very much.